still getting silence? Then Android 16's battery system is the killer. Go back to Settings and tap on Apps, then look for and tap WhatsApp. Scroll down and tap App Battery Usage, and then allow background usage. If it says Optimized, your phone is deliberately delaying WhatsApp's ability to ping you in order to save power. Change it to Unrestricted. This is the same trap that kills incoming calls. It kills message notifications too. The battery cost is tiny. The difference in reliability is massive. Now go back 2 steps and tap Mobile Data Usage and make sure background data is switched on. WhatsApp can't receive messages in the background if it can't access the internet in the background. Simple as that. Getting notifications inside the app but nothing on your lock screen? Head back to Settings and tap Notifications. Scroll down and tap Notifications on lock screen. Make sure Show on Lock Screen is toggled on at the top. Then select Compact as your display style. Scroll down and turn on Show Viewed Notification Icons and Show Sensitive Content. That's it for the lock screen. Android 16 resets these settings silently after updates. If your WhatsApp notifications suddenly stop showing on your lock screen after an update, this is the first place to check. This last one is the Genie secret. I've never seen another Android tutorial cover this for WhatsApp notifications, and it's the fix for the most stubborn cases. Open Settings and search for Alarms and Reminders. Tap it. Find WhatsApp in the list and toggle it on. Here's what this actually does. Android 16 uses this permission to decide which apps get real-time priority, the same gate it uses for alarm apps and calendar reminders. When WhatsApp has this permission, Android treats incoming messages as time-critical events and bypasses background policing entirely. Without it, even with every other setting correct, Android 16 can still silently delay message notifications by minutes, sometimes longer. This one toggle closes that loophole.
5 fixes: system notification permissions, WhatsApp's hidden internal settings, battery optimization and background data, lock screen visibility, and the alarms and reminders trick that closes Android 16's loopholes for good. Drop a comment telling me which one finally fixed it for you. If you also had WhatsApp calls not showing on your screen, that fix is a separate problem. I covered it in full detail in this video right here. Subscribe for a new Android fix every week. I'll see you there.